Okay, so here's the demo video of Traffic Sumo. Traffic Sumo is all about Chrome extensions and driving traffic to your offers and websites via push notifications. As you might know that Google Chrome has over 1 billion users, so very powerful traffic source to tap into. So let me just show you how easy and effective Sumo is. Okay, so here's the dashboard of Traffic Sumo, and you can see everything here is very proper and user-friendly to make that our users don't face any sort of difficulties while creating their campaigns. So let me show you now how easy it is to set up the campaigns here in Sumo. So now we can first, let's say I want to create a new campaign. Now I'm going to give this campaign a new name. Let's see, this is one of the applications that we have launched earlier, and this is called WP Content. I'm going to create a campaign. I'm going to create an extension of this particular website called WP Contentio. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to campaign a name, WP Contentio. Extension name that I would like to give, so the extension name, let's say, is going to be the same, WP Contentio. This extension short name, this is going to be appear in the URL, so we can't give any sort of spaces in that. So extension this extension is all about. So I'm going to copy this description here and use this description inside here. Okay, the version I say it's, let's say, 1.0. the URL, when somebody click on your extension, where he or she is going to be redirected. Here's the link I would like to add. Okay, so the extension logo, there are two different images that you of each size, that these are the requirement of Google. So let me go in there, and let's say I want to use this image. Look at this, it's updated. Now update this image as well. Okay, so you can see both images are updated. What we need to do is we need to add the server key in here to make sure that our notifications are sending very smoothly. So I need to go to this URL to set up for the extension. Basically, for each extension you need to set up a new project, create a new project. So for this extension I'm creating a new project, WP Contentio, and again, just in one click the project will be created, and I can give the server key and the sender ID from that particular project to the application, and see the project is created. Now I'm going to go inside the project settings, and here I will going inside the cloud messaging, and here I will find that we need first one. Let's say here's the key. I'm going to copy. Okay, here it is. I will paste the key here. The ID that we need, here is the sender ID, and I'm going to paste it here, and that's it. We are done with our campaign, and now I'm going to publish this. So now our campaign is published and our extension is now ready. Now what we need is just activate our, as you can see there's a button, activate push notification. So now what we need to do is just activate this push notification. I'm going to click the activate, and our push notification service is now activated. So now what we need is we can just download this particular extension that we have created, and we only need to just publish it on the Google Store. We're done. But before publishing it to Google Store, let me show you how you can test that extension is working properly or not, or if you have any changes you can find before you publish in your Chrome store. So here you can see that I have downloaded that particular extension, and now I'm going to extract extension. So now before uploading it to Google Chrome Store, we will go at our extension area and we are going to test it if the extension is proper before it to Google Store. So here you can see there's a developers mode. I'm going to click on this developers mode and have the option to load that unpack extension. Now I'm here going to select a particular folder of the extension that we extracted, and I'm going to click select, and you can see particular extension that we created is now loaded. The icon is fine, the title is fine, the description is proper. Now we are going to test if this extension is receiving the notifications or not. So now I'm going to send a test notification to see things are working properly there. So let me just send a notification. It is a test notification, and this is going to be the link where users are going to be redirected and they are going to click that particular notification. So I'm sending this notification, and you can see that I've activated that extension. So now I got this this notification that I've sent, and when I'm going to click on it, it must redirect me to the JV's link that we put in there, and here you can see it's redirecting me to JV. It means our push notifications are is set up proper and it's good to go. And now what we can do is we can go out there on the Google Store and we'll publish this extension right away. Okay, so here I am inside the Chrome Store, and now we are going to publish our extension in here. It's very easy to publish the extension. You can see the add new item button, and here I'm going to upload that particular zip file of the extension that we have created and tested, and I'm going to click the upload button, and that's it. You can see the extension is now uploaded. Now it's going to redirect me here where all we need to do is select a couple of things. First of all, the category of our particular extension. Our one, it's defined in the blogging. Now what we need to select is the language of that particular extension. I will select English, United States, and that's it. We are done, and now we are going to simply click the publish changes button and click the OK button. So now this extension is going to be published and will be appeared on the Google Chrome Store within a couple of minutes. It's going to show us. You can see it's showing that it will take up to 60 minutes to appear in Chrome Store. Sometimes it varies, sometimes it takes up to 24 hours, depends on that, but it's just like most of the time we have seen it to be published within the right span, maybe maximum in 60 minutes. So this is how easy it is to create a Chrome extension and publish it. Test it first on your developers mode of your Chrome, and then you can publish it on the Chrome Store. So once your extension is published on Chrome Store, all your users need to do is just go to the extension area and they can search for your extension in the name, just like we created extension WP Contentio, and then they can see that extension in the Chrome Store, and in one click they can add that extension, and you can see that extension has now been added, and you can send them push notifications. Then let's test notification. And here you can see the notification is now sending. So this is how easy it is to set up the whole Traffic Sumo application. And if you have any questions, you can contact us at our support desk, and we will happy to help. Thank you.
Find out more. Click below now.